What's up, crypto fans? Andrew Keen, president and CEO of acryptoshark.com. As you can see, I do not have my Bitcoin hat on today, so maybe that's a blessing in disguise. But let's go here and see what's going on. In the last 24 hours, what news have we come out with? The crypto market continues to hit new all-time highs by the day. We see the crypto market, when I started to talk about it was about 180 billion. Now it's 356 billion. So coin market cap is where everybody kind of goes to get their pricing and stuff like that. So we see the Bitcoin dominance. This has been pretty stagnant around 56. Has gotten up to about 62. Back probably about 9 months ago in the 80s, and we see the whole market cap of 356 billion. Big news that continues to be in the news is the CBOE and the CME are going to be listing Bitcoin futures, which is so good for the crypto market. I watch CNBC's Fast Money every single day, and Brian Kelly came out and said his biggest fear when he goes to sleep at night is U.S. government regulation, saying, hey, we're not going to allow you to trade cryptos anymore in Bitcoin. And having exchanges and having the government approved exchanges is basically taking away from the fact that they're going to regulate this. So this is unbelievable for Bitcoin and cryptos. This is why you continue to see the slow grind higher in the crypto space. So if you go into Coinbase, which is where I have money, I just came in and I put another 15,000 into my account and I transfer this into GDAX. I am buying 2 names as of yesterday. I'll start showing my portfolio, and I'm going to start showing my portfolio tomorrow. Remember, I'm not a registered investment advisor, cannot give recommendations or advice, but I am buying some Radeon networks. I like that as a longer term trade, and it's been recently selling off. So Radeon, I got into it, and I think it's around 330, and I bought, I think, around $3,000 worth of Radeon. And then my business partner, Dan, he told me to get into, let me see the name of it, and I think we got into it, NIMIQ. So we send out trade alerts, NIMIQ, and I just look at where this is right now. I should have gotten in about buck 32 to 139, 134 now. So I got into this one at 132, NMIQ. Let me get this right, NIMIQ. So those are new positions here. So if you go in here, IOTA, they reached a partnership with Microsoft. So IOTA, this has been one of the names. Got into it at 44 cents 2 months ago, sold out half at $1.50, have the other half left at 334, not selling it. Monero up 23% overnight. I like Cardano. I like Cardano at about 4 cents. It has quadrupled or tripled. I'm looking for Cardano on a pullback to about 6 cents. Love NEO at around the $28 level. It moves a little bit too fast. Lisk, I got into Lisk at 760 on the 27th, so less than a week ago. Bought about $3,000 worth of Lisk. So there's certain names that I always have on my buy list. It's like when the stock market, when they sell off, you find those buy levels using technical analysis, and then I put capital to work in those names. I like QTOM, I like OMGs. I'm waiting for pullbacks in both of those names. Like Zcash, I like Zcash around 225. Mona Coin, I liked at 550. I decided not to buy it. I like ARK at around 280. I'm going to do some research today in this one, NXT. The way that work, I think there's more opportunities in the cheaper dollar amount names, okay? So this is the big thing that we're kind of stressing and focusing on, okay? The chances of Ethereum going from $460 to $4,600 is probably not very good, okay? It's just not, okay? 10xing. The chance of Bitcoin going to 100,000 is probably not. But if we go to something that's maybe around the 50, 60 cent level, okay, let's just say MadeSafe coin, which I like actually too, for that to go to $5 is very, very probable. So when I'm looking at putting money to work, I think I'm better off putting money to work in names that are around the 50 cents level. I'm looking from 10 cents to $1. I'm looking for those names. Some of them are $1. Look at Vertcoin. Vertcoin has gone from 67 cents to almost $10 in 2 months. I'm long that name. I sold half out at around $7. I have to look at my spreadsheet, but I still like that name. So I'm just trying to focus here, guys, on the names that are around $1, and I don't like the small ones that have a market cap of 20 million or something like that. I want to focus on stuff that has at least a 50 million market cap. So if we went to a 50 million market cap, it'd be the top 100 names, and I want to look at stuff around the 40 to 70 cent level because I think those have the best upside potential. So CME, it's going to be the CME versus the CBOE. CBOE has said that they are going to have free trading until the end of the year, so really trying to encourage that. They're going to start on the 10th, which is a Sunday, which is a little bit weird. And Bitcoin futures are going to beat closing Friday and then opening again Sunday. And I've talked to a lot of people in the industry and kind of perplexed and confused if this is going to increase volatility or decrease volatility. I'm not really sure. I could see it going both ways. It's just going to be the top. When Tulip Mania actually listed futures and options, that was the top of the tulip market. So interesting to see here what's going on in the market. I have my buy levels in. I'm not that exposed to the crypto space. I started with 4,000. I turned that 4,000 into 14,000 in the last 2 months, and then I've been adding $3,000 chunks, and I've been trying to take off profits here and there. I will get my spreadsheet up, and I'll show you guys my spreadsheet every single day. I basically almost buy one crypto a day, a couple $1,000s worth, like 2,000 to 3,000 worth. I want to be at about 5% of my net worth into the crypto space because I do believe it. But you know, I don't. When I come in here every morning and I look at this, I would actually see a lot of. I would prefer to have a lot more reds because I'd rather be buying this. Yes, I'm making money, but I'd rather have a sell-off so I can buy. So this is Andrew Keen, Bitcoin news of the day. New all-time high in Bitcoin. Keep an eye on December 10th. Should be interesting. Options probably will be coming soon. If Bitcoin goes well, guys, most likely we're going to get futures on Ethereum and Litecoin, which would just push up the price of both of those. But you can see here as Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, Ethereum not really moving. It kind of makes you shake your head. But big news here, IOTA make a deal with Microsoft, and that one's going higher. Thanks, traders, and we'll run it back to